So today I'm gonna share with you one of our competition barbecue series. This here's a chicken. This here's competition barbecue chicken thighs. I tell you what, take a little bit of work, try these bad boys, you'll fall in love with them. This here's won some awards. All that being stated, let's get to prepping so we can cook it. You're gonna try these bad boys, come on. So in competition barbecue, a very important step of that is actually prep work. And today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prep our chicken. We go to competition, I carry 16 chicken thighs. And I'm gonna start with this right here. This is Spring Mountain Farm, bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I get Spring Mountain Farm because it's natural, hasn't been frozen, it's fresh, and it's white. And I think the white fat renders out better than the yellow fat, and that's what we go with. A lot of competition guys are using this. So to start with, open the pack up. And when I'm getting it, I'm usually going for the 4-pack, and I want to be about 2.5 pounds or above. So to start with, I'm gonna take my first one out. I'll pull my skin off, just like this, and the colder the better. See a lot of kind of thick fat, I'll take my knife and lay it flat. Just kind of skin it off. You need a sharp knife. I'm using kind of a Victorinox or bone-in knife like this, or boning knife. Some guys do this different. Some guys do it a lot more than I do. Some guys do a lot less than I do. You ain't worry about getting all of it. You just get the thick parts off. I'll set this to the side. Now you see some silver skin, this oyster. Call it competition barbecue. Get rid of that. Take a pair of shears. Cut the end of this knuckle off here, just like that. Flip it over. I want to find a point right here where it starts getting thick at. Cut it like that. Square it off that way. But where the fat starts at here, trim you down there, flip it over. Same thing where the fat starts, cut you down this way, square that off. Roll it up like a little sushi roll. Roll it over about halfway. Flip it over, lay at, set that. Now we got 16 pieces. Take to the competition like this. So I do this normally on about Tuesday or Wednesday. I can put them in the cooler or refrigerator. I get to competition, they look like this. And then what I do next when I get to competition is I inject. Next time I get like a shaker bottle, protein shaker bottle. If you're looking for this one, go down below in the Amazon store, you'll find this one. So I'm at a 1/4 cup of 999 chicken brine and inject. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Kosmos moisture magic. Shake it up, get it all mixed together good. I'm using smart water. I use this because it's the same everywhere we go, pH and everything else. I know it gets a little crazy, but it's what we're doing competition. I just a little bit into it. It's in the bottom. Just gonna break it up good. I normally do this about an hour before I inject my chicken. So this is a 24-ounce container. I'm gonna fill this up with the rest of my water. What I'm doing now is inject my chicken. But what I'm using here is basically an injector from Tractor Supply. You can find it on Amazon. Go down below my Amazon store, you can find this also. I got it set on 5 cc. So I'm gonna grab one of my chicken thighs. Notice right here, go right down in there, about a little ways in, back about a 1/3. All the way in, about a 1/3. Put it down in my pan. All right, now what I'm gonna do is take the rest of my water, pour it in my container, pick it up again, basically cover it. We're gonna brine it now. Now I get 2 pieces of tin foil, take the first one, wrap it up tight. Tight, tight, tight. Do the next one again. I know it's overkill, but I like to do it. Now it won't spill out. I'll put it in the refrigerator and let this kind of brine for about 2 hours. Then I'll come back and show you the next step. That's the chicken prep. We just took the chicken out of the refrigerator. It's been brining for 2 hours. First thing I'll do is get a pizza pan, use it to cook chicken on. Take 2 pieces of tin foil here, I'll come across the end of it, kind of seam it together. The reason I do that is so I can open it up like this. Now get some pan, makes it easier to clean up. Now I got another piece of tin foil right here. Do the same thing again. paper towels, lay it down, curve side down. Use Bounty or a really good paper towel, don't use cheap ones. I'm gonna take my chicken thighs, pull it out, set one here like this. You don't leave enough space in between them, so when you turn them over, put the season on it, the skins ain't touching too much. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. So now what I'm gonna do is start taking my chicken, lay them over that, skin down, just like that. Now time to put some rub on it. So my first rub is gonna be from 999, what the Cluck. So when I put it on there, I want you to notice something other. Over the skin a little bit, and then over the chicken. My next is gonna be 999. This is the Executor Sweet Heat Rub. Next one will be Fred Vegas Rub, Low Country Yard Pimp Chicken Rub. Now I'm gonna take them, roll them up into little sausage rolls like this. Like that. All right. Got doing a wagon wheel. I'm gonna put it on there, squeeze in good and tight. Get enough space for me to move around. Curl the edges in. Go back with what the Cluck. The Executioner. So the pizza pan will do two things here. It's allow me to kind of hold the chicken in place with little grooves in it. Also allow me to take it on off smoker pretty easy. The other thing about this tin foil like this is it's a lot easier to clean up a mess. And it's contained most of my mess. That's why I like doing that. Now, get ready to put this on the smoker. Now I'm gonna smoke this on the smoker at 300 degrees for 45 minutes. Then I'll put it in the butter bath and put it back in there until I get internal temperature of my chicken for 208. Now, we cook at 300 degrees for that. On the Gateway drum smoker, let's go put it on the smoker. Come on. So now while my chicken's on the smoker cooking, what I'll do is kind of make my butter bath, get it ready. Take one stick of Kerrygold salted butter, cut it up, drop it in there. I'm gonna set this on top of the smoker. That way the butter can melt. That way I put my chicken into it, it's all even. Let's go about 15 minutes, and I'm rotating it around to about 45 minutes. You'll put in the butter bath. About 15 minutes. See how it's swollen up a little bit? So correction on something other. You see I got 2 pans of butter. Whatever reason I was thinking I only need 1 pan, but I do 2 every competition. That's just a regular brain fart. Now, I put another pan, same thing, stick of butter, cut it up, put it on here to melt down. So be about another 15 minutes. See, get good color on them right now. Really good color on them. Rotate it around this way again. Looking good. So another little trick competition barbecue is you want your sauce hot. If your sauce is hot, have a nice even sheen on it. If it's cold, it'll kind of clump up on you. So to do this, we'll make our sauce. This will be for our chicken and our competition ribs. Have 16 ounces of 999, the Judgment Day barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna add about 6 ounces of Yes Dear's red sauce. It's kind of a vinegar-based sauce. Then I'm gonna add 2 ounces of Blues Hogs raspberry chipotle. Now I'm gonna plug this in on high heat, let it get warm, then I'll put it down to warm. But that's kind of a trick competition barbecue. All right, been about 45 minutes. Let's look at the chicken. Don't think look good? Pour this rack here out. Make sure you don't leave the Gateway drums open too long, temperature spike on it. Try to put it kind of the same size as now in the same pans. Take my probe, put my chicken just like this. Tinfoil, Really tight around my probes so I don't pull the chicken around. Same thing with this one. Probe on this side. Got it set for 208. Alarms go off, pull chicken off. That's what we're looking for. Still needle up at 300 degrees. Burn like a kitten. That in a few minutes. All right, so my first one's going off. This will be probe 1 here. Let's get it off. Here's the side and put the cam probe. Put it on the next one. Let's pull them off. Let them rest inside. All right, the chicken rests in cam probe for about 15 minutes. Now it's time to sauce it up. Start that. Perfect. Another kind of rule of thumb, you notice start pulling your chicken off, you start seeing the skin split on it. Now you need to pull them off the smoker. Only got one right here, pretty good. If you got any more excess skin like this hanging off, you should cut it off now. All I'm gonna do now is take my chicken, put it in there like that. Like that. See how thin the sauce is? See how it just pours right off? All right, now I want you to notice something right now. You see the skin split on this one? Watch what happens here. Still see it, but ain't quite as noticeable as before. Okay, we sauced them up. We let them rest a few minutes. Now it's time to taste it. Don't you know something? Look at that one. Don't it look good? Look at that. All right, let's taste it. What I'm looking for is to get a little squeeze. See how soft it is? Almost got juice pouring out of it. Cheers. See the juiciness of it? Try the other side. Y'all, this chicken is absolutely amazing. It's juicy. It's got some back-end heat to it. It's got the flavor looking for it, and it tastes like chicken. This here is absolutely amazing. This here is competition chicken. Now, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell us anything about this recipe and what you do different. Also, check out the other video, this competition ribs. Appreciate y'all watching. Now, time to say the blessing, go eat. First, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Lucy, good girl. Dolly, good girl. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, they'll fall in love. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food by receiving. In His name pray. See you next time. This here is dang good chicken. See you next time.